Learners to Form 3 Mathematics, my name is Teacher Jane. Let us look at this question to do with depreciation, and specifically, learner, it is on how to find n. You know, n refers to the number of years. So here is the question. A car whose value is 600,000 shillings depreciates at a rate of 12% per annum. Determine the number of years it would take for its value to be 316,639 and 15 cents. So depreciation, learner. We have the formula for depreciation, and the formula is A is equals to P in brackets 1 minus R over 100 raised to N, over 100 raised to N, everything raised to N. So this is the formula, learner. So what is our P? Our P is the original price of the car, 600,000. What is our R? Our R is the rate. The rate, learner, is 12%. And then we also have the amount, you know, the second price after depreciation. So the amount is A. A is equals to 639.15 or 15 cents. So learner, you are told to find the number of years. This N here, the N. So you come and substitute all this in this formula. So amount is 316,639.15 is equals to our principal. Our principal, learner, is 600,000 in brackets. You write 1 minus our interest is 12 all over 100 raised to N. You substitute. From there, learner, divide both sides by this. Remove this value here by dividing both sides with it. So divide by 600,000, divide by 600,000. So this and this cancel out. And therefore, learner, on this side you divide. Dividing with a calculator, learner, you get approximately 0.5277 is equals to what? You are left with this on this side. 1 minus 12, 100 raised to N. Left with that. So from there, learner, 0.5277 is equals to what? 1 minus, this is a decimal, is 0.12 raised to N. So learner, this gives us this is equals to 1 minus this decimal here will give you 0.88, all this raised to N. Look at that, learner. The bracket gives us this 0.88 raised to N, therefore is equals to this side. So what is your N, learner? What is your N? Maybe I can start with this side. I can just exchange them. It is still the same thing. So you can write it this way so that you can see it clearly. So learner, we want N. How do we find N? And this is where majority of the students go wrong. So we should be very careful. How do we find N? You know when it is a power. How do you find it? You introduce, the formula is introduce logs to base 10 on both sides, learner. Introduce logs to base 10 on both sides. On both sides. And therefore we talk of introduce log here. Log 0.88 raised to N is equals to log 0.5277. From there, learner, we use one of the laws of logarithms where this power comes in front here. So we talk of N, we bring N in front here. I know you have learned this with your teachers. So you bring the n here, and so we read it as n log 0.88 is equals to log 0.5277. From there, learner, divide both sides by log 0.88 to make n the subject. To make n the subject, divide by this on both sides. Look at that. You divide like that. So this and this will cancel out, and therefore learner on this side will be left with your n. N is equals to what? You use your calculator accurately. You divide this log this, divide by the log this. Using a calculator, you get 5. And therefore, the time required for this depreciation to occur is 5 years. 5 years. So you just use the formula. You need this formula, learner, and then you flow down with it. So go and practice. God bless you, learner.